Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are not new. Look at my hair. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my first time well, it's actually my second. The first time I kind of tried it out, but this is my second time officially using the Curls Unleashed Color Blast hair makeup wax. It's a temporary hair makeup wax, and so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I used it. This time I did a twist out, and if you're wondering why I use purple, you know, I have a whole purple look going on. It's because the month of May is Lupus Awareness Month, and the color purple symbolizes lupus awareness. So that's why I did this color purple. I have a friend who has lupus, who's diagnosed with lupus, and so I'm just doing this in support of her and in support of anyone else who is going through battling, you know, this disease. So yes, that is why I chose purple. Y'all make sure you go follow Lex and Lupus on Instagram. All the information will be down in the description box, and I'll go ahead and put it on the screen right here. But yes, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this look, not the makeup look because I didn't film that. But if you want to see a different video for this makeup look, let me know, leave me a comment, let me know, and I'll go ahead and show y'all how I got this makeup look. But for now, I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I got this hairstyle. And yes, I think that's all I have for you guys, so go ahead and watch. I'm just gonna like play, you know, me doing it, and I'm gonna talk to you guys, but just give y'all a few facts here and there on lupus. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get straight to it. Alright y'all, so of course I'm starting with this section in the back, and my hair has been freshly cleansed, deep conditioned, and thoroughly detangled. Now I'm just going in to moisturize it, so I'm spraying it with this warm to hot water just to open those hair cuticles to receive the moisture. And I didn't show it, but I applied a moisturizing cream as well as a leave-in cream on my hair before applying this wax. Now I'm applying the wax, and y'all, let me tell you, it was just gliding through my hair. Okay, it gave some moisture and a little bit of definition as well, and you can apply as little or as much as you like. I applied not a lot, but I really wanted that color to be vibrant and stand out, so I applied as much as I needed to do that. So then I just go ahead and twist this section on up, and I pretty much follow this entire process throughout my whole head, and it's pretty much the same as my, you know, a regular twist out, except you're just adding some color wax on your hair. But that's it, and I'll just go ahead and let y'all watch the rest because it's pretty self-explanatory. And yeah. So I think it's a good time to share fact number 1 with you guys about lupus, and that fact is that lupus is an autoimmune disease. And if you don't know what autoimmune diseases are, they're basically diseases in which the immune system attacks your healthy cells or attacks its own tissue. And with lupus, it's actually an inflammatory disease in which the autoimmune system is attacking its own tissues or its own cells. So that is fact number 1. Okay, so it's time for fact number 2 about lupus, and that is that they are treated by rheumatologists. Now, I had never heard of a rheumatologist before, so I looked it up, and rheumatologists are basically internists or pediatricians who have extra training in the area of diagnosing, detecting, and treating musculoskeletal diseases. Now, musculoskeletal diseases affect the body's movement, so your muscles, your tendons, your ligaments, and everything like that. So fact number 2 is that lupus is treated by rheumatologists. So I am all done with the twist, and this is what my hair looks like. Color is very vibrant. My hair is still wet, and I wanted to show y'all what my hands look like. It did stain a bit, but it came right off with water, so it was no problem. But now it's the next day or 2 days later, and I'm just gonna take my twist down and separate and fluff for y'all. But before we get into the results of this twist out, I want to go ahead and give you guys the last fact I have about lupus, which is that about 1/3 of people with lupus experience this flat reddish rash across the bridge of their nose and their cheeks. I believe it's called malar, but it may be pronounced malar. However, it's nicknamed the butterfly rash, and sometimes it's often the only visible symptom or sign of lupus. And yeah, that's the last fact I have for you guys about lupus. I really hope you enjoyed my little facts that I threw out in this video. And now we're gonna just resume with the rest of this twist out, and I'm gonna show y'all the results, and I'll meet y'all at the end of the video to tell you guys my final thoughts. So this is the completed look. So this is my hair all completed with the twist out and the color and everything. Like, it's just so cute. The color is very vibrant. It's very vibrant, especially in the light. So just show y'all. So yes, this is all I have for y'all. This is the completed look using this stick from Curls Unleashed, and yes, I really like it. I could have used a little bit more leave-in conditioner underneath just so my hair would be even more moisturized, but it's not too bad. It is doable, but this is the finished look. Make sure y'all go and follow Lex and Lupus on Instagram. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen right here for y'all, so make sure you go follow her on Instagram. And yes, I thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me comments down below, let me know what you think about this color, and let me know the next color you think I should try. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell to be notified each time girl posts a new video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Instagram name is right here, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.